welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how I arranged my 2 bouquets of flowers that my husband bought me for Valentine's Day from Sam's Club. So let's get started. It's a little bit cheaper if you buy yours in the package instead of buying them already in a vase, and it's a lot of fun to arrange your flowers yourself too. So my husband was so sweet and he bought me 2 beautiful packages of flowers, and then I picked up that vase years ago at a thrift store. If your flowers come with this powder mix, I recommend following the directions on the package because the flowers will last longer if you add the powder to the water. I am just using regular scissors to trim the stems shorter. So here's the first bouquet of flowers, and then there's my beautiful roses. He is so sweet. Every year he gets me red roses for Valentine's Day. So this year I wanted a few different flowers too, so he let me pick out the second bouquet. Here I'm just trimming off 3 or 4 inches off the end of the stem, cutting it at a slant, and I've already put the powder mix in the water and stirred it up so my water's ready to go. So all I have to do is add the flowers. Now sometimes on the end you'll see some leaves and things that are kind of wilted and hanging down. You'll want to remove those because that just takes up space in your vase, and also it just kind of like will mold too. So it's better to remove those flowers when you notice them. I put the pretty orange Gerber daisy in the front center, and then on the left I put some yellow flowers, and then on the right of it I'm also going to put some yellow flowers. They don't have to match perfectly, but what I put on the left I usually like to try to do on the right, and what I put on the front I usually like to put on the back to make things match. They don't have to be perfect. This time I'm not going to be doing the back of the arrangement because this is going to be setting where only one side shows. Next in the center I'm adding a beautiful sunflower, and sometimes you have to trim it a little bit shorter and just kind of cut your stems at a slant. And so I'm going to place this one right in the center close to the Gerber daisy, or at least I think that's what it's called. And so I'm placing it in the center. So I want my bigger flowers to kind of stand out. Now I'm going with something purple, and I'm going to place it on the left. And then now I'm going to look and see if I have anything else purple, cut the stem shorter, and place it on the right. Just remember there's no right way or wrong way to arrange your flowers. I am just giving you some ideas. Next I'm adding some beautiful lilies, and I want them to be taller and put them in the center of my arrangement. I can't wait for those blooms to open up. Now I'm going to add in some of my beautiful red roses. Just going to trim the stems shorter and remove some of the leaves that are at the bottom of the stem. So I'm just placing one on the right side. Then I'm going to take another one, trim it shorter. And then place it on the left side. And just remember, place your flowers however you like. You're the one that's going to be looking at them, and you're the special person that they were bought for, so fix them whatever way makes you happy. And remember, you don't have to have someone to go buy you flowers. Go buy yourself some flowers. You deserve it. I am going to play some music for you now, so I hope you enjoy watching me arrange my flowers, and I hope everyone has a happy Valentine's Day. And thank you guys for all the love that you show my channel throughout the year.